Scrolling Instagram, YouTube, and Google every day, but still broke? What if I tell you that in 2025 you can make real money online from home? No big investment, no coding, no excuses. Watch the video till the end because the last minute can change your life. Hi guys, welcome back to Moneycraft, your ultimate guide to making money online, side hustles, and smart earning. Today I am sharing 5 proven ways you can start earning online in India, even if you're a complete beginner. Ready? Then let's dive it into the video. The first one is freelancing. Get paid for your skills. If you know graphic designing, video editing, content writing, coding, or even basic data entry, freelancing can be your best start. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you create a profile, offer your service, and get paid per project. Even beginners can make 10,000 to 30,000 per month by doing small gigs. In this freelancing, the pro tip is to focus on one skill, create a strong portfolio, and start with small projects to build reviews. Second one is content creation. In this, it is like YouTube, Reels, and Shorts. Short videos are blowing up right now. Platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook videos pay through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. You don't need an expensive camera, your phone is enough. Pick an issue you love, stay consistent, and make content people enjoy. Remember one thing, in content creation, consistency and quality is very important, which is equal to growth and money. The third one is affiliate marketing. Earn without owning a product. Imagine sharing a product link and getting paid whenever someone buys. That's what affiliate marketing is. Join programs like Amazon Associatives, Flipkart Affiliate, or Meesho, or promote products through YouTube, Instagram, or WhatsApp, and earn a commission per sale. Some affiliates make 25,000 to 1 lakh per month doing this full time. The fourth one is online teaching or coaching. Online learning is booming in India. If you're good at math, coding, English, music, or any other skill, you can teach on platforms like Vedantu, Unacademy, or even host your own Zoom classes. Start small. Even 3 students can give you 5,000 to 10,000 per month. The bonus idea for teaching online is to record your lessons once and sell them as a course on Udemy or Skillshare. The fifth one is print on demand and dropshipping. This is a hidden gem for 2025. With print on demand, you upload your designs on websites like Printroll, Keeping, or Redbubble. Whenever someone orders, the platform handles printing, packing, and shipping. You only collect the profits. This is a risk-free side business to start today. One bonus tip. At the end of the video, I want to give you a one bonus tip, which is meant by don't waste your time on chasing getting rich quick, because it's going to be a scam. Pick one method, learn it deeply, stay consistent for at least 3 to 6 months. That's how real money is made online. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Moneycraft for more smart earning tips, and comment below, I'm ready to start. I'll reply to as many as I can.